My name is Bob DeVries. I am the owner of Screen Trans Development Corporation. I've been in the dye sublimation business all of my life. We started printing dye sublimation in 1974 through lithography and progressed into a large business. Our business is everything's got to be done in 3 days or less. We manufacture a lot of banners. We also print a lot of continuous yardage printing. We do a lot of banners, 1s and 2s, 10s and 20s, SCGs, pillowcase graphics, catering all to high-end clients. Quality is #1 in our shop. We do all sewing in-house. On a typical day, we're printing 20 to 30,000 square feet, printing, sewing, finishing, packaging, and shipping. Now with the Mimaki, we can go into more continuous yardage and print 1,000 yards to 3,000 yards per day. Also, we can print banners, short run banners on this machine, and it just triples, quadruples our production on some of the larger products. We were producing on a network of 10 to 12 various printers ranging from 60 to 126 inches. We would, on the larger jobs, we would have to put 2 or 3 machines on the same print in production in order to get the volumes out. Now when the larger volume starts coming in, we're able to produce on our high-speed machine at 3,000 to 5,000 square feet an hour. But the biggest problem is typically all of our banners and all of our printing is done in 3 days or less. Some of the high volume orders where I may get a 1,000 or 2,000 24 by 72 inch banners or 30 by 60 banners, I still have to print them, transfer them, and still have everything out in 2 or 3 days. With the extra production capability on this machine, what normally would take a full day of printing on multiple printers only takes an hour, 2 hours here. Increased our production tenfold. A particular market to drive me to look for a new printer is printing more continuous yardage on demand. So I could print 1,000 yards, 2,000 yards a day, where it would take me quite a bit longer on the other machines, and I'd have to run multiple machines. I was introduced to this machine. We've always been running Mimakis for many, many years. I know the quality of the Mimaki and the service with people from Mimaki technicians are close by and know us very well. The reason I bought this was the extra production capabilities and quality. Starting with APC, it was a flawless installation. The coordination on their end as far as shipping, when things were going to arrive. Also, their team of service installation people was very professional. What sold me on the Tiger600 was the speed and the quality. Gives me the opportunity to print 100 yards in a matter of 15 to 30 minutes, depending on quality. It helps my turnaround on jobs, on larger jobs, and just the accuracy of the print is just fantastic. As far as working with Mimaki, we've been working with Mimaki printers back from JV22s and JV4s for more than 20 years, and Mimaki has always serviced us very well. My expectations were met the first time I saw the machine. The print quality and the speed of the machine, and also the size of rolls that I could put on. I could run 3,000 yards on one roll of paper versus 100 yards on some other machines that we presently run. My expectations were quick turnarounds. I could print 100 yards in a matter of 30 minutes. I could have that printed, transferred, and in my customer's hand and out the door the same day. I would recommend the Tiger600 for production print shops. Just the sheer volume of product that you could produce in a day or in 10 minutes. The ease of running the machine, the program on the machine itself is very user-friendly. I would say the reliability machine is going to be very good. Based on the machines, Mimakis that I've had before, reliability is very good. We've ran probably 9,000 yards of paper on this machine so far, with no issues. Not to buy it and give me the work. I'm kidding. Be prepared for an awesome machine. If you have the space and the floor plan for it, it will outperform any other printers that you have now. Definitely new markets. The continuous yardage print, as you see we're printing here, these are just samples right now. It's going to open up a huge market for us in printing for the fashion industry, on-demand prints, small boutiques that may need 20 yards, 50 yards, 100 yards of a design, instantaneously changing another design. They could walk away every day with a couple of 100 yards to meet their needs as far as sewing production. The main feature is the speed, the reliability of the print. From what we've seen with running close to 9,000 yards of heavy prints, light prints, the print quality has been perfect. No issues. As far as moving forward, it's a great machine. I would highly recommend it. Success story would be just the sheer production on this machine. We ran it overnight, came back in the morning. We got 2,000–3,000 yards on a roll, impeccable, no wrinkles. We've only had this machine maybe 2 months running in production, maybe 1 month in full production. I'm already looking forward to a second machine within 6 months or sooner.